Hey lovelies, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Today we have unusual video for you because right now for the very first time I will make a voiceover for two people at the same time. So wish me luck, I hope it will not be confusing for you all and I'm sorry if a little misunderstanding will bother you. I'm trying hard to change it. We promised you that I will introduce you to interesting people. So please welcome Olga Dyachenko from the city of Ryazan. Ola has been sewing for 20 years, but her main love is underwear. This is my hobby, Olga said. Working with customers is my job, but tailoring underwear is my favorite hobby. Also, Ola not only sews underwear, she also likes to teach different people to make it. Yes, in Ryazan I work with beginner girls and professionals where I teach them all the skills necessary to sew beautiful underwear. A lot of girls want to take classes in our school. We have a waiting list. This is very interesting, especially for women. At the same time, underwear does not take up much space, such as coat, for example. How many hours is the course calculated? For 35 to 40 hours. And we do not give a certificate to person who has not completed the course. Girls sew only according to your sketch, Ola, or do they use their own imagination? Of course, basically own imagination. I just help them. I immediately tell them to use their own imagination and realize even more strange ideas. I just help them. And right now we have a little announcement for our subscribers. We don't just show you Ola. Now Ola is part of our team. Now you will have opportunity to get involved with all this beauty. For women, it is also important that it is dressed both below and above. And sometimes what is hidden from the view is the most important thing. Ola told us that girls that come for the first time, when they saw the constructions, they were so scared to do something, and she always tells them, just do it and everything will work out. No need to be afraid, you just need to make mistakes, it's not scared at all. After all, if you do not do this, someone else does. And it will be so upset. Get ready for the fact that Ola will be a lot on this channel. And please write in the comments, are you interested in sewing underwear? And now, Ola will show us what she brought with her from Ryazan. This is the panties that my students sewed. These are elegant panties. This is cotton, lace. And all this is done on a household sewing machine. If you sew sets online and at home, then this can be done on conventional sewing machine. It is very easy. The main thing is to start. Let's have a closer look at other underwear sets. We are very glad that Ola is here with us today. Let's now consider the panties and bra at the mannequin. This set is sewn by my student. This is her third job. There is no foam rubber on a rigid frame holds the chest. Micro panties also come with a bra. We did not wear panties on the mannequin because the mannequin is black and everything would just merge. On the mannequin you see red panties that look pretty normal in the front. And a lace bag begins at the back. It looks very beautiful on you. Red color in principle looks gorgeous on women. And about the bra, I want to show something else. There is a transition from red to black. A literal bun inserted so that everything adheres. Black strap turns into red. Now let's take a closer look at the details. Handmade. The elastic is made thinly. The detail is very small, but what elegance is added to the image. The gum is black at the waist and red along the line of the legs. Very beautiful. Fantasy of my girls is magnificent. In our courses, girls wake up and they sew amazing underwear. Ola, I am delighted. You brought a lot of lace with you. Please briefly tell us what it is made of. We work with various elastic nets. Lace on an elastic net. Various types of knitted lace. Look at how beautiful it is. This is a grid. Net like this is reimposed on the lining foam and applied to the edge. Everything is very easy. For the beginners, I recommend sewing from sets at the unnatural stage. There are many online stores that sell sets because new students don't always understand what they can sew from this or that, and this really helps them a lot. While training is in progress, they study all the materials, and after that they themselves can select the material from their work. Ola not only sews underwear actually, she also brought with her from Razan her outwear. And it looks very beautiful, I really like it. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to this channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!